Hey guys, welcome to my channel once again. My name is Darren, aka The Six Figure Dad. Thank you so much for being here. If you haven't subscribed, you know what to do. Click that button below and you're not going to miss out on any of the exciting stuff coming up in my channel very soon. Okay, so today's very short one today for you, but I want to give you 5 of the top affiliate marketing programs to get involved with in the year 2025. This is going to be an exciting time for any online entrepreneur, okay, because the industry is absolutely booming right now. So there's never been a better time to get started. So very quickly, let me tell you what brought me to this point in my life. I've been running a brick and mortar business in the UK for 20 years. And when COVID happened, my business pretty much stopped overnight. I couldn't operate and it's been difficult ever since. So I had to look outside the box, and when I came across something like this, affiliate marketing, it blew my mind, because what it allowed me to do was still run a busy lifestyle, okay, still run another business, but also build something online, because all I was doing was leveraging somebody else's expertise as such and creating content to drive traffic to their link, to their product, to their service, and get paid $1,000+ commissions on autopilot without doing any of the selling myself. Now, you might be thinking that sounds too good to be true. It really is not, right? I didn't have to create my own products. It's not like your digital marketing or reselling courses or anything like that you might have seen. It is not creating PDFs, spending hours in front of Canva, having to create documents after documents, trying to sell them, not even knowing if they're going to be successful or not. It's not saying never do that, but if you're a complete beginner or if you're a struggling digital marketer, this is the way to go. High ticket affiliate marketing is 100% what you need in your life right now, because it doesn't impact your life. You can still do whatever you're doing in the daytime, but you can build something on the side to see what's going to happen in the future by making commissions like this, plus recurring commissions as well. So without worrying about all the gimmicks out there, okay, this is true affiliate marketing that's been around since the internet launched. 86% of companies worldwide have affiliate programs. So the opportunity is a massive one, as you can see, and it's growing all the time. So today I want to break down 5 of the top niches to get involved with in 2025. Let's get into it. Okay, so let's go. Number 1, with the current trends and what's happening in the online space, number 1 right now has to be AI software and automation tools, because even brick and mortar businesses are taking their business online, so they've got a bigger audience, a global audience. So AI tools like Jasper AI, brilliant. Okay, I know there's things like ChatGPT, but even that's something you could look at. Jasper AI is more of a business operation that you could be an affiliate for and get recurring commissions. System.io, an amazing autoresponder tool. I still use it in my business right now. I'll leave a link below so you can get a free account. System.io is an autoresponder plus a funnel builder all in one. And you can have a free account up until I think it's 2,000 subscribers. Amazing. When people get to that level, or if somebody wants to build out multiple campaigns, then they have to go for the paid version, at which point you're going to become a regular affiliate commission earner through that program. So there's 2 for you. Okay, another one is Go High Level. It's a great automation tool. That's something you can use as well, and you can be an affiliate for. Check it out. These are different options, but AI and automation software is an absolute great opportunity if you want to be an affiliate marketer for these pieces of software, because the market is just thriving right now and you have a huge audience to go after. Just think about that one. Okay, number 2, this is my personal favorite. This is the one I'm involved with, and that's the digital marketing world, affiliate marketing, make money online. Okay, and what you've got to remember is there's a massive need these days for online education. Okay, people are just flooding to the online space to learn new skills, to build businesses, to just get an education, to build an online business, to build automation tools. The online education is an absolute game changer right now if you're looking to change your life in 2025. Okay, the make money online niche is growing exceptionally quickly. So this is the one that's really changing my life. This is the one that's brought me my first 10k online, and this is what could do the same for you. So when you're talking about digital marketing, or whether you want to be buying a course to sell a course, that's completely up to you. That's something I used to do. I don't particularly do that anymore. I'm more involved now with high ticket affiliate marketing, because it's not just about getting commissions of say $29 for maybe reselling an ebook or something. It is high ticket, so we're talking $1,000 plus commissions per sale, and without me having to do the selling. So if you've got a busy lifestyle, if you're a busy mum and dad, if you're a busy 9 to 5, emergency services, whatever it is you're doing, you can do this around your busy life, because you can do it for like 30, 60 minutes a day. And I'll tell you why. Now, I'm not saying that's all it's going to take to build a business, but when you're an affiliate marketer, you're doing a lot less of the work, especially if you go for something like a 90% done for you service. So when you're an affiliate marketer, you can just create 2 to 3 pieces of content every day. You can create a 5 to 7 second reel on TikTok or Instagram or Facebook or YouTube Shorts, and you can just add text to screen. Now, people are thriving in this industry, and all they're doing is simply just recording a 5 to 10 second video, B-roll video on their phone, and when they get time later on, they might just add some text to screen. It can be you having a sip of coffee, it can be you playing with the kids, it can be you taking your dog for a walk, whatever it might be. That can be a B-roll video clip that you can use at a later stage. Now, don't tell me you don't have time to record 5 seconds video throughout the day. We all do. And then you can take a couple of hours over the weekend to actually edit out these videos. As long as your strategy is on point and you've got the direction, you've got the support, you've got the products, the service, whatever it is you're promoting, and you're aligned with whatever that is, and you know your target audience, of course the training comes into this. However, when you get on top of the game, creating 2 to 3 pieces of content every day is not difficult. So when you think of that, can you do that in half an hour a day? Of course you can. Yes, you're going to go through the training. Yes, you're going to have emails to build out. However, if you go for the done for you system that I'm involved with, all that's done for you anyway. Or you can just join our free community that I'll drop a link for below. Again, and all the education's in there for free. It's a free community. So before you go ahead and buy one of these courses, and I have multiple courses in my portfolio, but I'm giving you this free community today because I think it's a game changer. If you're looking to get started in affiliate marketing, this is the way you want to be going. Okay, so check that out below. Number 3 is health, wellness, and biohacking. I've got here. I don't know why I wrote that down, but it's always evergreen. Okay, it's always evergreen. People are always looking for fitness programs or new ways to look after their health and wellness and all of this. Okay, so it's always emotional storytelling. It's a great opportunity to share your experience if that's what you're involved with, because at the end of the day, that's what resonates with your audience, is your story. So if you're coming into the industry and you've got this background, this is what you want to be thinking of. Right, what's my hobbies? What's my interest? What could I monetize? What passion of mine can I take into an online business, and either create products and services around that if you wanted to, or simply be an affiliate for a company who's already in the industry and just leverage their experience, leverage their products, and just be an affiliate and promote and bring traffic to their links and their products and let them do the selling for you. So these are great ideas. Okay, so many opportunities in that space. I don't need to go through every single company. There's loads out there. I don't want to pick one over the other, but that's something you can do for yourself when you start going through the free community linked below. Number 4, relationships and dating. Let's be honest. That's always going to be thriving, right? Everybody, oh dear. Anyway, I'm not going to go into the pros and cons, but relationships and dating. Now that's a great niche to get involved with as well, because again, you might have had some good experiences, you might have had some bad experiences. So being involved in that niche as high urgency, okay, so you can really create that fear of missing out, that urgency for people to take action in that industry, because they might be missing that relationship, missing that connection with someone. Or listen, the opportunity's there. That's a great niche. That's thriving right now as well. Number 5 is digital tools. All right, so things like Canva Pro, for affiliate dashboards. I mean, yes, you can get a Canva free account, but when people are upgrading, then of course you can be an affiliate for that too. Things like that. Things like anything like I've said already, anything digital. So you can be looking at things like TubeBuddy as an example, Jasper AI that I've mentioned already, System.io, ClickFunnels, all these different types of softwares that people need to have to run a successful online business. Now, I always try and encourage beginners to start using free tools like System.io. And again, I'll drop my link below so you can get access to that free account. So you can use that until you get 2,000 subscribers, or if you want to start building more campaigns, then you'll have to upgrade. But to get started is free. So if you think about this, you can start affiliate marketing with a free funnel and autoresponder system in System.io. And you can start with a free community that offers you free training and free guidance. All you need to do, I say to beginners, when you're getting started, is simply get yourself a domain name and a professional email address. Okay, domain names, you can pick them up for anything between $5 and $20, right? Email address, professional email address, $2-3 per month. Okay, that's not much when you consider how much it cost me to actually set up my brick and mortar business. That was a lot of money. An online business, when you think of the opportunity it presents, and when you've got somebody else doing the hard selling for you, and you can not only get $1,000 plus commissions per sale, but you're building a recurring income stream as well. So if you can promote subscription services, you start building that and it'll start snowballing for you. So if people come into a free community, then they go into a paid community, or if they choose one-on-one coaching, or if they buy somebody's seminar, this opportunity is massive. So you're tagged to that individual. As soon as they enter your system and you refer them to an affiliate program, they are tagged to you. Okay, that person, whenever they upgrade, you're going to get the commission for that. So this snowballs very, very quickly. You just need to take action and start learning and implementing the strategies of a 7-figure mentor like I'm doing right now. Right, so if you want to be involved with what I am doing, join that link below. I'll leave it below for you. You can just come and say hello. You can join the community for free. You don't need to spend a penny to get started. Check it out. You've got nothing to lose. But that is my top 5 niches to seriously consider in 2025. Don't forget to subscribe. If anything here I've said resonates with you, or you feel you've enjoyed this video, I'd love your support. I'd love for you to subscribe to my channel. Just click that link below. You've got nothing to lose, potentially lost to gain, and maybe we'll talk one day. I'll see you on the next video. Take care.